Were there any particular holidays or rituals that were your favorites growing up?
Yeah, I'd say probably decorating the sukkah comes instantly to mind. Our sukkah was, Baroque in its decoration. It was not an inch was bare and not covered with some mostly bizarre decorations. We wouldn't just go for the fruits and flowers and all of that, but action figures, which we actually called Menschen. They were our little Menschen, were our action figures, the little wrestlers and superheroes, and they would be dangling all over from the Sukkah. And Disney characters, the Wicked Witch, and He-Man, all sorts were dangling. And then it's just quite a bizarre thing, and we have a huge box of them we bring out every year. So every year we meet those Menschen again on the ceiling of our, not ceiling, on the, dangling from the foliage of our sukkah, and it's very much our own. It's unique. I guess it sort of represents our Jewishness, which is one very mixed with, American secular lifestyle, and but also, richly Jewish as well. It's sort of an American, very American kind of Yiddishkayt.